Before we begin today, I want you to know something very important. If you can understand English but you cannot speak it, you are not failing. In fact, you are much closer to speaking English than you think. Many learners around the world have the same experience. They watch English videos, listen to podcasts, understand movies with subtitles, and even know many English words. But when someone asks them a simple question like, "How are you?" they suddenly become silent. Their mind becomes blank. Their heart starts beating faster. They know the answer, but the words do not come out. If this has happened to you, today's lesson is especially for you. The first thing I want you to understand is that listening and speaking are different skills. Think about a baby. A baby listens to language for many months before saying the first word. During that time, the baby is learning every sound, every expression, and every pattern. The baby understands much more than the baby can say. The same thing happens when you learn English. Understanding comes before speaking. So if you understand English, congratulations, you have already built a strong foundation. Now it is time to build the next step. Many students think, I need more grammar before I can speak. But the truth is, you do not need perfect grammar to start speaking. Think about your own language. Do you think about grammar rules every time you open your mouth? Of course not. You simply speak because your brain has practiced those patterns thousands of times. English is exactly the same. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Sometimes students tell me, I know the words, but I forget them when I speak. This is completely normal. There is a big difference between recognizing a word and using a word. Imagine you have a large library inside your brain. You have read many books, so you know where many books are. But when someone asks you to find one book quickly, it takes time. Speaking is like finding the right book immediately. The only way to become faster is through practice. Every sentence you speak makes that library more organized. Another reason people cannot speak is fear. Fear is often much stronger than a lack of knowledge. Some learners are afraid of making mistakes. Others are afraid that people will laugh at them. Some worry about their pronunciation. Some compare themselves with native speakers or advanced learners. But let me ask you something. When a child learns to walk, does the child fall down? Yes. Does the child stop trying because of one fall? No. The child stands up and tries again. Speaking English is exactly like learning to walk. Mistakes are not signs of failure. They are signs that you are learning. From today, I want you to change one belief. Stop saying, I cannot speak English. Instead, say, I am learning to speak English. These two sentences are very different. The first sentence closes the door. The second sentence opens the door. Your words shape your confidence. Your confidence shapes your actions. Your actions shape your results. Now let's do something together. Repeat after me. Speak slowly. Do not worry about your pronunciation. Just open your mouth and let the words come out. I can understand English. I am learning to speak English. I am not afraid of mistakes. Every day I become more confident. My English becomes better every time I practice. Excellent. Did you notice something? Speaking these simple sentences already made you practice English. Fluency does not begin with long conversations. It begins with short, clear, simple sentences spoken every day. Many learners spend hours watching videos. Watching is helpful, but watching alone will never make your mouth stronger. Imagine watching someone exercise every day. Will your muscles become stronger? No. You must exercise yourself. Speaking English is a skill that belongs to your mouth, your tongue, your ears, and your brain together. They must work as a team. That teamwork only happens when you speak aloud. From now on, every time you learn a new sentence, do not just read it. Say it 5 times. Then close your eyes and say it again without looking. Later in the day, say it 1 more time. The next morning, repeat it again. This simple habit teaches your brain to remember English naturally. Let's practice together again. Good morning, how are you today? I am feeling great. I am happy to practice English. I learn something new every day. I enjoy speaking English. This is my time to improve. Very good. Notice that these are sentences you can actually use in real life. You do not need difficult vocabulary to sound confident. Clear and simple English is much better than difficult English that you never use. Here is another important idea. Stop translating every sentence from your native language into English. Translation is slow. It makes your brain work twice as hard. Instead, connect English directly with ideas, pictures, and feelings. If I say apple, do not think of the word in your own language first. Imagine a red apple in your hand. If I say rain, imagine rain falling outside your window. This habit helps your brain think directly in English. Let's try a small exercise. Imagine you wake up early in the morning. The sun is shining. You open your window. You smile and say, "What a beautiful morning." Now imagine you are making a cup of tea or coffee. You take the cup, you pour the drink, you sit down and say, "Today will be a wonderful day." Now imagine you are getting ready for work or school. You look into the mirror and say, "I believe in myself. I can speak English." These are not just sentences. They are daily habits. When you connect English with your everyday life, you no longer study English only from books. You begin living in English. I also want you to stop waiting for the perfect moment. Many students say, "I will speak English after I learn 5,000 words." But that day never comes. You can start speaking with the words you already know. Even if your vocabulary is small, you can create hundreds of useful sentences. For example, I am hungry. I am tired. I need help. I like music. I love reading. I have a question. I don't understand. Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly. Thank you very much. These simple sentences are powerful because they are useful. Fluency is not about using difficult words. Fluency is about expressing your ideas comfortably and confidently. So remember this lesson today. If you understand English but cannot speak it yet, that does not mean you are bad at English. It simply means your listening skill is stronger than your speaking skill, and that is perfectly normal. The wonderful news is that speaking can be trained every single day. Every word you say is one step forward. Every mistake teaches you something new. Every minute you practice makes your English stronger than yesterday. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing that you can do it. Your voice deserves to be heard, and little by little, sentence by sentence, your English will become clear, confident, and natural. The next step is to make English a part of your daily life instead of something you only study. Many learners spend 1 or 2 hours studying English, and then they spend the rest of the day thinking in another language. Imagine learning to play the piano. If you practice for 1 hour and never touch the piano again until tomorrow, your progress will be slow. But if you practice a little throughout the day, your fingers become more comfortable. Speaking English works the same way. Small moments of practice are often more powerful than one long study session. You do not need a classroom to practice. You do not even need a partner. The best speaking partner is sometimes yourself. Talk about what you are doing. If you are cooking, say, I'm cutting vegetables. Now I am washing the dishes. The food smells delicious. If you are walking outside, say, the weather is nice today. I can see many people. The sky is blue. These simple sentences train your brain to think and speak naturally. At first, you may feel a little strange talking to yourself. That is perfectly okay. Every new habit feels unusual in the beginning. After a few days, it will become normal. After a few weeks, it will become easy. After a few months, you will notice that English comes to your mind much faster than before. Another important habit is to slow down. Many learners believe that fluent speakers always speak quickly. That is not true. Good speakers speak clearly. They choose simple words. They pause when they need to think. Speaking slowly is not a weakness. It is a sign that you care about communication. Let's practice together once again. Repeat after me. I am improving every day. I speak one sentence at a time. I do not rush. I speak clearly. I enjoy learning English. I believe in my progress. It's excellent. Keep your voice relaxed. Smile when you speak. A smile changes your energy, and it even makes your pronunciation sound more natural. Remember that confidence does not come before practice. Confidence comes because of practice. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Do not wait until you feel ready. Speaking is what makes you ready. Every evening, ask yourself 3 simple questions in English. What did I do today? What did I learn today? What will I do tomorrow? Answer each question with 2 or 3 simple sentences. This small exercise helps you build the habit of speaking without memorizing long scripts. Most importantly, be patient with yourself. Learning a language is not a race. Some days you will feel amazing. Other days you may struggle to remember simple words. That is a normal part of learning. Do not let one difficult day make you forget all the progress you have already made. From today onward, make one promise to yourself. Speak English every single day, even if it is only for 5 minutes. Those 5 minutes will grow into confidence. That confidence will grow into conversations. Those conversations will become fluency. 1 sentence becomes 2, 2 become 10, 10 become a conversation. And one day, without even realizing it, you will smile because you are speaking English naturally, comfortably, and with confidence. There is one more thing I want you to remember. Do not compare your beginning with someone else's middle or end. You may watch people speaking English fluently and think, I will never speak like that. But you are only seeing the result. You are not seeing the months or years of practice behind it. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Every confident speaker once made mistakes. Every successful learner once forgot words, felt nervous, and struggled to express simple ideas. The difference is that they did not stop. They continued practicing, even when progress felt slow. Instead of comparing yourself with other people, compare yourself with the person you were yesterday. Maybe yesterday you could only say hello. Today you can say, hello, how are you? Tomorrow you might say, hello, how are you? It's nice to see you. That is progress. It may seem small, but small improvements become big results when you continue every day. Now, let's practice another short conversation. Repeat after me. Hello, how are you today? I am doing very well. Thank you. What did you do this morning? I had breakfast and studied English. What are your plans for today? I will practice speaking English for 30 minutes. That sounds great. Thank you. I am excited to learn. Wonderful! You have just completed another speaking exercise. Every conversation like this helps your mouth become more comfortable with English. The goal is not to speak perfectly. The goal is to speak naturally. Whenever you learn a new word, do not stop after reading its meaning. Use it immediately in a sentence. If you learn the word happy, say, I am happy today. If you learn the word travel, say, I want to travel to many beautiful places. If you learn the word friend, say, my friend always encourages me. A word becomes useful only when you use it. Listening is also an important part of speaking. Listen carefully to simple English every day. Pay attention to pronunciation, rhythm, and expressions. Then pause the audio and repeat exactly what you hear. Try to copy the speaker's speed, stress, and emotion. This method helps your pronunciation become clearer and your confidence becomes stronger. Always remember that your voice matters. People are not waiting for perfect English. They are waiting to understand your message. If your grammar is not perfect, keep speaking. If your pronunciation is not perfect, keep speaking. If you forget a word, use another simple word and keep speaking. Communication is always more important than perfection. Before we finish today's lesson, repeat these positive sentences with confidence. I believe in myself. I am becoming a better English speaker every day. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Every mistake teaches me something new. I speak with confidence. I speak with courage. I enjoy learning English. I will never give up. My future is bright. I can do this. Excellent work today. Be proud of yourself because you showed up and practiced. That is how real progress begins. Tomorrow, speak again. The next day, speak again. Keep listening, keep repeating, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Day by day, your words will become smoother, your sentences will become longer, your confidence will become stronger, and the English that feels difficult today will one day feel as natural as a friendly conversation. Your journey has already begun, and with patience, consistency, and daily practice, you will become the confident English speaker you dream of becoming.